James, the football is running in your veins. Your father was a semi-professional player and your family has always been passionate about the sports. Now with 3 little ones at home, are you planning on passing this love of sports on to them?
Oh, I hope so. I hope so. I take my boy in the garden and try and get him kicking the ball around. At the minute, he's preferring golf. He's playing more golf, and I'm trying to push him towards the football without pushing him too much. No, I have 2 boys as well, and a little girl.
How challenging is now with toddler, with baby twins? How are you managing this day-to-day life with 3 kids?
You just get by, I think. No, it's difficult. It is difficult, and that's like the side of things that a lot of fans and a lot of people don't always see, is the off-the-field stuff and how difficult that can be. We obviously get judged on our profession, and rightly so, but when you have 3 children at home, it can be difficult, you know. If we have a bad night in our house where a couple of them are waking up and I have to come and train the next day 100%, I might not have had a good sleep. There's stuff like that when you're tired and people don't really see, you know. We have a good support network, me and my partner, parents, my partner's mum and my mum and dad.
That's amazing. You have quite a lot of tattoos, some motivational ones, if I'm correctly informed. Can you tell a bit about their significance to you? Like, I think you have dreams do come true and believe in yourself.
Yeah, you've done your homework, haven't you? No, I've got a tattoo on the back of my leg that say dreams really do come true when we won the FA Cup with Leicester, because I used to love watching the FA Cup as a young English boy, and the FA Cup used to be magical, you know. Me and my dad always used to watch it. Some of my earliest memories of football are from moments in the FA Cup, so when I got to lift that trophy myself, it was a surreal moment, you know. And yeah, I've got a couple of motivational ones that just quotes that I love and that kind of resonate towards me. So I'm running out of room actually, so I hope I don't see any more quotes that I like.
Which one is your favorite and why? With the dreams do come true or something else?
Or maybe, yeah, probably the FA Cup one. You can't really beat that at the minute.
At the minute. Another passion of yours is golf. Are you as good at golf as you are at football?
I'm not even close. No, golf's a hobby of mine and a sport that I love. It's so hard to be consistently good at, which is why, being the competitive person that I am, it's why it's probably so addictive, because it's so hard to master, and you just want to keep going back to try and get it perfect, but it's almost impossible. So no, I love my golf. I love watching it. I love playing it, and yeah, that's definitely something I do away from football, which helps me like mentally recharge and switch off from football almost, yeah.
And you're also involved with a lot of charity work, helping underprivileged children and supporting children's hospitals. What does it mean to you to be able to help in that matter?
Well, no, it means everything, and that's why I started Maddison Invitational, which is a charity golf day that I do once a year now, annually. Sometimes we don't realise how powerful and how privileged that we are in the position that we have with the size of our profiles now, you know. Managed to raise a lot of money over 2 years and be able to help 2 different charities close to my heart, so I'll continue to do that, yeah.